Are you looking for a side hustle that requires literally no investment at all? Maybe a couple of dollars. Well, this side hustle is going to blow your mind because I make flags from home, vintage style, and fabric is perhaps one of the cheapest things that you can invest in a sewing machine that literally cost only a couple of $100 depending on the model, but you can definitely make 10 times, sometimes 20 times more your investment. And I'm about to show you proof of that. Now, this flag, it's the English flag, or also known as the St. George flag. And I sold many of these during the World Cup. And they're perhaps the easiest flag to make from all the flags that I learned to make, and it's definitely worth the time and learning how to use your sewing machine. Now, there's a lot of tutorials out there, and I watch one on how to use my sewing machine. And I don't do tutorials because I rather show you the side hustle, because the most difficult thing for you or for any side hustle is to actually make money, a side hustle that works, a side hustle that definitely makes you money. And that's exactly what I'm going to focus on to show you proof that I really make really good money from such a low investment. So once you learn how to use your sewing machine, all the proper equipment that you will need, you will definitely make money. Once you learn how to make flags, then you can start your account on eBay and Etsy. I have made thousands of dollars all these many years. Now, this is my listing on eBay, and like I said, I sold many of these during the World Cup. They're really easy to make, and look at all the flags that I sold. So I sell them for $30 plus $8 shipping. You do the math. Of course, I gotta pay fees, but it's still worth it. So I'm on my way to the post office. So if you guys are interested on this side hustle, I recommend that you guys buy your sewing machine today. I'm gonna leave some links below. I really appreciate if you guys support me by getting your sewing machine there. $200, come on, you can really afford that. I mean, if you can buy beer, whatever, for more than that, or even go to, the little senoritas club, if you know what I mean. I mean, you can afford this machine for only $200. So you might even have one at your grandma's basement. So you can probably borrow it from her, and I'm sure she'll let you borrow it to make some money. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next side hustle.